There's one feature of the Insta360 Go that's so built in, so natural, that people just look past it and take it for granted. But it's the feature that makes it so special, and without it, well, I think it would actually be pretty useless. Can you guess what it is?
Oh wait, let me guess. I'm very good at this.
Now, you might have thought I was going to say flow state stabilization. Now, that's great, fantastic even, and one of the best features. But it's not that. But it is a feature that has been brought over from their actual 360-degree cameras. And that feature is horizon leveling. It means that no matter which way you hold the Go, you end up with dead level horizons. Let me show you what I mean, and stay tuned because I've got a little bonus tip for you at the end on how you can use this superhero horizon leveling feature with your Insta360 Go, and also how the new FPV mode is different. Roll it. Now, this is great because it means you can position it anywhere, where it's at any angle and on any position on your body or equipment, and you know you're going to get that level horizon. Seriously, if you haven't thought about how great this is, or you're wondering whether the Go is for you, in my view, this alone is worth the money by itself. If you find it's not working so well for you, you might need to calibrate the gyroscope in your Go. There's a good chance that that might fix the problem for you. Here's how you do that. So first, connect your phone via Bluetooth. Enter the settings page and you'll see gyro calibration here. Okay, now place the Go on a level surface and follow the on-screen instructions to calibrate it. A green indicator light indicates that the calibration is completed and you're done. One of the ways that the new FPV mode is different to regular video is that switching to that mode switches the horizon leveling off, leading to a very different kind of experience in your captured videos. So now you know how that's achieved. Now here's my bonus tip. Not only does this horizon leveling work for video, but it works for photos too. That's my little Easter egg hidden tip for you. You're welcome. Check out this video for my 40 tips for using the Insta360 Go. Yes, 40 of them. It's a cracker. Subscribe and come back soon. Hey, I'm Sarb, Johal, and good night. And applaud down below.